Ghana Lake is situated in option D is correct, Balochistan. Which of the following districts of Balochistan contain huge deposits of copper? Option D is correct, Chagi. Which of the following forts was built by Mughal Emperor Zahuddin Babur? Option A is correct, Bala Hisar. The total length of Makran Coastal Highway. Makran Coastal Highway की total लंबाई कितनी है? Option D is correct, 653 किलोमीटर. The Babusar Pass Connect. Babusar Pass किसको मिलाता है? Option A is correct, Abbottabad and Gilgit. Which of the following archaeological sites was discovered in 1955? Option A is correct, Kot Diji. Who administered the oath of office to Liaquat Ali Khan as the first Prime Minister of Pakistan? Option A is correct, Quaid-e-Azam. The national anthem of Pakistan was approved by government in Pakistan का कौमी तराना हुकूमत ने कब मंजूर किया? Option D is correct, 13 August 1954. Identify the viceroy who made August offer in 1940. Option A is correct, Lord Lintrug. Who among the following leaders had translated the Lahore Resolution from English to Urdu on 23rd March 1940? Option A is correct, Maulana Zafar Ali Khan. Maulana Zafar Ali Khan ने 23 मार्च 1940 की करारदाद लाहौर को इंग्लिश से उर्दू में उसका तर्जुमा किया. The British Parliament passed Indian Independence Act on. ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट ने इंडियन आज़ादी का जो आइन है वो कब पास किया? ऑप्शन सी इज़ करेक्ट, 14 जुलाई 1947. The paper report on brutalities of Congress minorities 1937 to 39 was compiled by. Option B is correct, Raja Muhammad Mehdi. After Sir Aga Khan, the next president of All Muslim League was. Sir Aga Khan के बाद अगले जो All India Muslim League के सदर कौन थे? Option C is correct, Raja Sahab of Mahmudabad. In the interim of government of 1946, the health minister was. Option D is correct, Zanfar Ali Khan. Who presided over the Shimla Conference in 1945? Option B is correct, Lord Wivell. Congress launched Quiet India, a movement against the British government in. Option C is correct, 1942. 1942 में कांग्रेस ने क्वाइट इंडिया मूवमेंट जो है उसको ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट के खिलाफ ये स्टार्ट की. Lahore Resolution of 23rd March 1940 was seconded by Sindh province by. Option C is correct, Abdullah Haroon. Muhtarama Fatima Jinnah joined All India Muslim League in. Muhtarama Fatima Jinnah ने कब All India Muslim League को में शमूलियत अख्तियार की? Option A is correct, 1937. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali first used the word Pakistan in his pamphlet Now or Never in. चौधरी रहमत अली खान ने अपने एक पैम्फलेट Now or Never में पहली दफ़ा पाकिस्तान का लफ्ज़ इस्तेमाल किया गया. ऑप्शन ए इज़ करेक्ट, 1933 में. अंडर गांधी Larvin Pact of 5th March 1931 it was decided that. ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, द कांग्रेस विल कॉल ऑफ द सिविल डिसओबीडियंस मूवमेंट के कांग्रेस जो है वो सिविल डिसओबीडियंस की मूवमेंट को ख़त्म कर देगी. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग लीडर हेल्प कायद-ए-आज़म इन प्रिपरेशन ऑफ हिज 14 पॉइंट इन 1929. कायद-ए-आज़म के 14 नुकात को तैयार करने में किस लीडर ने कायद-ए-आज़म की मदद की? ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट, मौलाना मोहम्मद अली जौहर. What was the significance of 21st annual session of All India Muslim League? All India Muslim League के 21वें सालाना इजलास की क्या अहमियत है? ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, अल्लामा इकबाल डिलीवर्ड अलाहाबाद एड्रेस. अल्लामा इकबाल ने खुतबा अलाहाबाद दिया. लियाकत अली खान joined All India Muslim League as a member in. لیاقت علی خان نے کب آل انڈیا مسلم لیگ میں شمولیت اختیار کی؟ آپشن ڈی is correct 1923. مولانا محمد علی جوہر had started publishing his famous English newspaper Comrade in 1911 from. Option C is correct, Calcutta. Which amendment were proposed by Qaid-e-Azam in Nehru Report 1928 to make it acceptable to Indian Muslim League? Qaid-e-Azam نے نہرو رپورٹ میں کون سی تبدیلی کی جسے انڈین مسلم لیگ کو قابل قبول بنایا جا سکتا تھا؟ آپشن ڈی is correct, all of above. The Muslims should be given 1/3 representation in central legislation. For 10 years, the Muslims should be represented in Punjab and Bengal. According to their population, resident power should be given to the provinces. To protect the interest of minorities, it was provided in Lucknow Pact 1916 that no bill or resolution affect a community would be passed if. Option C is correct. 3/4 of the representatives of that community were opposed to it. The Constitution of All India Muslim League was drafted by a committee in 1907 headed by. Option C is correct, Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. Under which act was the Muslim demanded of separate electoral first conceded by British government? Option B is correct, the Indian Council Act 1909. The Central Muhammad Association was founded in 1877 by. Option C is correct, Sayyid Amir Ali. Sahibzada Abdul Qayyum had rendered great service for the educational uplift of Muslims of. Option C is correct, KPK. The real founder of Darul Uloom Deoband was. Option C is correct, Maulana Muhammad Qasim Nadwi. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan established an institution in 1864 with objective to translate books from English to Urdu and Persian known as. Option B is correct, the Scientific Society. The most urban province of Pakistan is. Option C is correct, Sindh. Bolan Pass is located in which province? Option A is correct, Balochistan. Choburi is in Lahore was built by. Option B is correct, Shah Jahan. Shalimar Garden, Lahore is an important feature of Dash Garden. Option D is correct, Mughals. Bala Hisar, the elevated fort is situated at. Option B is correct, Peshawar. Satapara Lake is in. Option A is correct, Sakradu. Gandhi Jinnah talk were held in 1944 to discuss CR formula prepared by. Option A is correct, Raja Gopal Acharya, who was the first Governor General of Pakistan. Option D is correct, M.A. Jinnah, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Bicameralism in Pakistan was first introduced in Constitution of. Option D is correct, 1973 में बैकरलिज्म जो पाकिस्तान में पहली दफ़ा इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया. Which of the following province of Pakistan comprises 9 division? इनमें से पाकिस्तान के किस सूबा जो है 9 डिवीज़न का मुश्तमिल है? Option A is correct, पंजाब. सरदार अब्दुल रब निश्तर was the Governor General of. Option B is correct, Punjab. What was the main difficulty which delayed the earlier constitution making in Pakistan? Option C is correct, the distribution of power between federal and provincial governments. In Pakistan, military courts were established after terrorist attack on Army Public School in Peshawar in the year. Option D is correct, 2015. Article 25 of 1973 Constitution of Pakistan deal with. Option B is correct, equality of citizens. Which of the following is not Kharif crop? Option D is correct, wheat. Dash defines the dance of Punjab. Option A is correct, Bhangra. Makrani style is of language, of which language? Option D is correct, Balochi. Name of the pamphlet issue by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali in which the name of Pakistan was used for the first time. Option D is correct, now or never.